Aging is a natural process that affects we all, causing our skin's healing and regenerative abilities to diminish over time. But don't worry, Tretin-A can help combat these signs of aging. In this video, we'll show you how to use Tretin-A effectively to reduce wrinkles, improve skin texture, and maintain a youthful glow. How to apply Tretin-A for anti-aging. Cleanse your face. Begin with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt and makeup. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Wait before application. Allow your skin to dry completely for about 20 to 30 minutes to prevent irritation. Start slowly. Initially, apply Tretin-A once every 2 to 3 days to allow your skin to adjust. Gradually increase to nightly use as your skin becomes more tolerant. Use a pea-sized amount of Tretin-A and apply it evenly over your face, one for forehead, one for chin, one for nose and either side of the cheeks, avoiding the eye area and the corners of your mouth and nose. Apply it at night. It will reduce skin sensitivity. Moisturize. Follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and reduce potential dryness or irritation. Use sunscreen daily. Tretin-A can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 during the day. How Tretin-A makes you look younger. Reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. Promotes collagen production, smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles for a youthful appearance. Improvement of skin texture. Accelerates skin cell turnover, revealing fresher, smoother skin. Fading of hyperpigmentation. Lightens age spots and melasma by inhibiting melanin production, resulting in a more even skin tone. Reduction of pore size. Reduces enlarged pores by preventing the buildup of dead skin cells and oil. Improvement in skin elasticity. Increases collagen and elastin production, making the skin more resilient and less prone to sagging. Enhanced skin radiance. Exfoliates dull skin cells, revealing brighter and more radiant skin. Stimulates new blood vessel formation. Improves skin circulation, giving the skin a healthy, rosy appearance. The secret to a youthful appearance lies in maintaining the perfect balance of facial fat in the right places. Over time, a complex dance of fat redistribution, accumulation, and atrophy occurs. Around age 35 to 40, changes begin, with regions like the forehead and cheeks losing fat, reducing facial volume and leading to a less youthful appearance. Simultaneously, areas like the mouth and jaw gain fat, resulting in sagging and contour deficiencies. Around age 45 to 50, changes in cartilage and bones become prominent, with elongation of the nose and a drooping nasal tip. Bone reabsorption and maxilla remodeling contribute to an older appearance. Around age 60 to 65, the chin can sharpen and protrude further, altering facial structure. Collagen and elastic fibers. Deep within the skin, collagen decreases and breaks down, causing wrinkles. Elastic fibers lose their elasticity, reducing the skin's ability to regain its shape, leading to fewer facial expressions. Remember, the aging process is universal. As we age, our skin's healing and regenerative abilities naturally diminish. But with Tretin-A, you can combat these signs of aging and maintain a youthful glow.